Hey there, welcome back, friends. In this section, we will try to discuss couple of interesting yet important details related to Spring Boot. So let's get started. First of all, we will discuss about something known as developer tools. Now, for example, we start a new Spring starter project, and in here, let us give the name as default only. In here, we have like couple of options. Let me expand this. So there are like multiple dependencies which we can add, and if we traverse this tree core, we have one dependency by the name of developer tool. Now this dependency is useful. Let me show you how. Now for example, we add in this dependency developer tool to our existing application, then what happens is you would be able to see that our application would be added to our Spring tool suite. Now this particular application is also marked as DevTools application. Now why this particular dependency has such a importance that there is also a marker straight away on our package explorer. Now the reason why this dependency is important, because this can bring down our development time. Now do you remember that whenever we would like to get some changes into our application, we need to relaunch our application every time? So that could be a pain. Now by taking help of this developer tools, our pain can be reduced. First of all, let me stop our web server, the current web server, and in order to show you a demonstration of DevTool, we already have this web application. Let me run this web application and let me show you what exactly is this web application. Now this application is something which we have already built in our previous videos. This is a very simple, easy to understand web application where we have this controller based on the URL mapping, request mapping / welcome. Alright, so in here, if we navigate to this URL, then we would be able to see a very simple message welcome. Now there is a catch. If we give the URL mapping as /welcome or welcome, both are one and the same thing. So do take a note of it. Now moving forward, we are returning welcome in here, and welcome is what? Welcome is nothing but the name of the file where we have the view. So let me show you the source main web app view folder, and here is the welcome.jsp file, and here is the content which is getting displayed for this URL mapping. Alright, now friends, if for example we make some changes like welcome here and save this file and then try to refresh this page, we won't be able to see any change in here, right? Now in order to see the changes, we need to relaunch this application, right? It will take a couple of seconds. Then we will again navigate to our web browser, and then we will refresh the page, and then we will see the change. Now this could be cumbersome, right? So in here, let me do one thing. Let me open up pom.xml, and in here, let us navigate to dependencies, and let us add a dependency, and we will type in dev tools. All right. Let me save pom.xml, and let me right click Maven and update this project. Alright, so now we can easily make out that now it is showing up DevTools, right? So we will again relaunch this application so that we can have a fresh start. And now let me make a change, and if now I refresh this page, what happens is we would be able to see the changes. Again, let me make some other changes. Let me save this file. Let me refresh this page. Again, changes are getting reflected. So this is the advantage of DevTool, and using a DevTools, we can definitely reduce the development time because there is no need to restart our embedded web server now. So this is a short video discussing DevTools. Definitely there is more to it, and you can definitely research more about DevTools, features of DevTools, and this is something you must know when you deal with Spring Boot. Alright, so that's it for today. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day and take care.